Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial videos. Today, we would like to show you how to make custom fields. Every business is unique. It is an amazing melting pot of processes, people, ambitions, and experience. Often, two companies from the same industry use CRM completely differently. Therefore, we designed our product so that it can be customized to fit anybody. One of the basic requirements is a possibility to make custom fields. Often, you may need to save a piece of information that has no field in the module. Of course, you can enter the date of birth into the facts, but we know that it is not right. To create a custom field, open the Administration Center and go to Custom Fields. Select a module where you want to make the field, for example, Contacts, and click on Add Field. Fill in the name and select the type. Let's start tracking birth dates. The name will be Date of Birth, and the type will be Date. In Modules, you can select other modules where you want to make the field. In the case of our Date of Birth, just let it be as it is for now. Categories allows you to group custom fields into sections, but we haven't done them yet, so let's skip this step for now. We will get back to it later. You can also add a description. It can help users by providing a better explanation of how to use the field. Some field types enable you to set up additional parameters. In Date field, you can set up the time, but it doesn't work for us, so we will keep it blank. Click Next to get to the second screen where you can set the access rights. We may want to make some fields read-only or hide them completely from some groups of users. Again, not our case now. As soon as we are done, click Create Field, and that's it. Now, if you reopen a contact and click on Custom Fields, you will find the field there. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds before the field appears, and sometimes you have to close and open the dialog again. In one of our following videos, we will teach you how to work with our form designer so that you can place the field onto any position in the dialog. Of course, you can add the field into the list of items using the column chooser. Now, let's make two more fields to show you how the categorization works. In the Administration Center, click Drop-down Menus and select the module Custom Fields. Click on the pencil icon by the menu Custom Fields category to edit it. Enter Marketing and Support to create new categories. Confirm it all. Return to the Custom Fields, select Contacts. You will see the field Date of Birth we created a minute ago. Click on Add Field and make a new field, Hobbies. Let's make it as Multi-Select Dropdown, so that we can select more options from a predefined list. In Categories, choose our new category, Marketing. In Values, enter your hobbies, for example, music, theater, golf, etc., and confirm it. That's it. One more field. It will be called Internal Note, and we will make it as a multi-line text, so we can type in longer notes. In the category, select Support, and in the field height, select, for example, the 3. Again, these are just examples, and you will select the category that makes sense in your business. Confirm the dialog to complete the wizard. One final step. We will open our first Date of Birth field and set the category Marketing so that we can demonstrate to you how the fields are grouped together. Confirm it all. Before we have a look at contacts, we will show you one more feature. Using drag and drop, you can select the order of fields. Let's put Hobbies before Date of Birth, just to show you how it works. And now, you can reopen a contact. In Custom Fields, there are our fields. Hobbies and Date of Birth are next to each other. They are in the category Marketing. Also notice that Hobbies is before Date of Birth. Internal Note is just next to it in the section Support. Using these steps, you can make as many fields in any modules as you want. You can choose from many data types, from simple text to numbers, checkboxes, drop-down menus, etc. The fields will also be available in eWay-CRM Mobile and eWay-CRM Web. This way, you can customize eWay-CRM to your needs. It's easy. That is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, you can like it on YouTube. If you wish to learn more about eWay-CRM, you can also visit our blog or social networks. You can also contact us at support@eway-crm.com. We are ready to help you. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.